Wait, the time to prepare for this cold blast is right now.
Sub-freezing temperatures can cause huge problems for your home's heating and the home's water systems. Atlanta News First reporter Don Shipman joins us live from Decatur. And Don, there are steps we can take to protect our property.
Definitely. And one of the first things you want to do, this is really the easiest one. It is to inspect your furnace filter. It looks like this right here. It should look this clear of any dust, pet hair, and debris. And the experts also say do a test run of your furnace now, well before that bitter cold weather arrives.
We are getting a number of calls.
On a normal day, the technicians at Coolray Heating and Cooling respond to about 400 calls.
I do appreciate your patience.
But when freezing temperatures bear down on North Georgia, their Marietta call center sees a dramatic jump in frantic homeowners in need of help.
It would not surprise me if we start running about 500 to 600 calls a day.
While Coolray and other home heating companies are ready for the additional workload, Kimball Bryce says there are some things that homeowners can do right now to ensure you stay warm come Friday. First, test your heating system.
If you haven't turned on your heat yet, go ahead and turn it on, make sure it's working well. And if you haven't had your system maintained or looked at in a couple of years or even a year, a lot can happen in the course of a year with it.
So it's a good idea to get ahead of the storm.
Besides your furnace, homeowners should also protect their plumbing. The experts at Atlanta-based The Home Depot recommend keeping interior faucets dripping overnight when temperatures are at their coldest. This will prevent them from freezing and potentially bursting as a result. Also, open your cabinets under the kitchen and bathroom sinks, especially if your pipes are on an exterior wall. This will allow your home's heat to keep them warm. And you can also wrap your pipes.
If you have any exposed pipe, we sell the foam wrap that you could do that with. You know, even cracks and gaps around doors and windows, you can use the great stuff. You can use caulking.
All relatively inexpensive steps you can take now to prevent costly repairs in the midst of an emergency. And both Watson and Rice emphasize the importance of proper use of a generator if the power goes out. Generators are never to be used inside. They should be several feet away from your home on the outside. We're live here in Decatur. Don Shipman, Atlanta News First.
And don't get caught out in the cold without the First Alert weather app. You can monitor the sinking temperatures and get alerts about holiday hazards right to your cell phone.